In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slides to Google Slides. By the end, you'll know the two quickest ways to insert new slides so you can build a clean, organized presentation without wasting time. We'll start at the Google Slides homepage, sign in, open the presentation you want to work on or pick a template, and then add slides either with a right click or with the plus icon at the top. First, open your browser and go to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the account you want tied to this presentation. If you switch between personal and work accounts, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so the file ends up in the correct drive. Keep your sign-in details private, and if you're on a shared computer, consider signing out when you're done. Next, choose what you'll be working on. You can open an existing presentation from your recent files or start from a template if you want a ready-made design. Templates are helpful because they come with coordinated layouts, fonts, and colors. If you prefer a clean slate, open a blank presentation. Either way, once the presentation is open, you're ready to add slides. To add a slide using the right-click method, look at the list of slide thumbnails on the left side of your screen. Click the slide after which you want your new slide to appear. Right-click that slide to open the context menu, then choose New Slide. Google Slides will insert a new slide directly below the one you selected. This method is great when you're working through a specific section and want to keep everything in order. If you right-click on the canvas itself, you'll also see the option to add a new slide. You can also add a slide from the top toolbar. Find the plus icon near the upper left and click it once. A brand new slide appears instantly in the sequence, again, right after the thumbnail that's currently selected. If nothing is selected, slides will place it at the end. After inserting, you can type your content right away. If you need the new slide somewhere else, just drag its thumbnail to the exact spot you want. That's it. Go to Google Slides, sign in, open your project or a template, then add slides with a right click or the plus icon. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.